Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you income tax slab rate for financial year 2017-18, which will be started from 1st April 2017 and will be end on 31st December 2018. So here I am talking about the tax rate for individuals and HUF after budget announcement by Mr. Arun Jaitly. Budget was presented by Mr. Jaitly on 1st February 2017. So there are some changes in the income tax slab rate which I want to share with you. If you want to know in the detail, you can check out my description box. Also on your right hand side you can see a red color button on which subscribe is written. Please click on that button so that you will get each and every notification whenever I upload any video. So let's move on to the income tax slab rate. I just want to tell you in detail. So first of all, I'm talking about the slab rate for individuals and HUF having age less than 60 years. If any individual have income, net taxable income up to rupees 2,50,000, then his tax rate will be nil. If income is 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, then individual have to pay 5% tax on the same. If income is from 5 lakh to 10 lakh, then individual have to pay 20% tax rate, and in case of income more than 10 lakh, then individual have to pay 30% tax rate. There is some changes in surcharge also. Previously surcharge was applicable on the income above 1 crore, but now surcharge will be applicable if income is above 50 lakhs. So the main change which was happened after the budget in the slab rate is the second slab, which is income from 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. Previous tax rate was 10%, but now it is 5%. So if I can give you an example, if any individual is earning rupees 5 lakh, I'm talking about net taxable income after each and every deduction. So if X have income of rupees 5 lakh after all the deductions, then up to financial year 2016-17 he was paying the tax on 5 lakh rupees 25,000. But now after this change, the tax burden of this individual will be reduced by half. Yes, he has to pay only 12,500 on the same. Now let's move on to the senior citizen slab who is of the age of 60 years. His income up to rupees 3 lakh is exempt from tax. 3 lakh to 5 lakh he will have to pay 5%. From 5 lakh to 10 lakh he will have to pay 20%, and above 10 lakh he have to pay 30% tax. And now I'm talking about super senior citizen who are attaining the age more than 65 years. Their income up to rupees 5 lakh is exempt from tax, so they will come in the 20% tax slab rate. 5 lakh to 10 lakh they will have to pay 20%, and above 10 lakh they will have to pay 30% tax rate. So I think this is a very good change given by. So this is the amount of concession given by Mr. Jaitly after the budget, but because of demonetization, the expectations of the general public was very high with that budget for the income tax slab rate, because this is the main thing which is going to be affect each and every individual. So one more most important change in the personal income tax is that if any individual will file his return after the due date is 31st July, then they will have to bear some penalty. Penalty rate is different according to the income. If an individual and HUF is earning income up to rupees 5 lakh, then they will have to pay 1,000 rupees as the penalty. But if individuals are earning income above rupees 5 lakh, then up to 31st July they will not have to pay any penalty. But if they file their return between 1st August to 31st December, then they will have to pay 5,000 rupees, and after 31st December this amount will become 10,000 rupees. So this is the clause of penalty on delay in filing in the return. I'm also putting this in the description box, you can check the same. So guys, what do you feel about the budget? I just want to know how you feel about this change of income tax slab rate. So you can comment me below, or you can mail me at learnandstyle@gmail.com. If you have any queries, then also you can mail me at learnandstyle@gmail.com. One more thing, there is an education cess which is tax on tax, which is 3%. This is the same as in the previous years. If you have any more questions about the personal income tax, and if you want to know how tax is is calculated. I am linking my video how tax is calculated on this I button. You can click on this I button so that you will get to know how the tax is calculated as per the slab rates. So I hope you guys like my video. Then please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.